Hey everyone, it's Liliana here from Vanillandcanela. Welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back if you're one of my subscribers already. So today I wanted to share with you my everyday basic cleaning and tidying routine. This is what I do every single day as a starting point. If I don't have time for anything else, I always have time for this, and I know that if this is done, the house is somewhat put together and clean. This routine takes me just over half an hour, which I think it's pretty good. So let's get started. Every morning after I get ready, I make my bed and Alex's bed. This happens before I take Alex to school. So I just make both of the beds, and I know that when I come back, that's one less job to do. I do this 95% of the time. Sometimes if I'm running a bit late, I do it when I get back. So once I'm back from the school run, I go into my bedroom and Alex's bedroom and just do a quick tidy up of anything that's been left behind, like clothes. I then go into my office and take out all the clothes that are dry and go into my bedroom and start putting everything away. Now you guys have seen me do this a million times, but I always hang all our tops, mine and Paul's, in hangers so they dry very quickly and they're easily put away. I separate anything that's mine and Paul's from anything that belongs to Alex, and I put away all of mine and Alex and Paul's clothes first, and then take the basket into Alex's room and do the same in Alex's room. I have a quick look around my office and put away anything that needs to be done. And guys, this is not a deep clean, I don't dust, this is just the basic day-to-day stuff. I then go into the bathroom and I always give the toilet and the sink a wipe down. So that is the upstairs done. I then take a load of washing down today's towels. I go around and look for all the towels that can be downstairs, and I put, with this wash, I always wash my cleaning cloths as well. Once that is done, I start by unloading the dishwasher. And then start loading it back up with the breakfast stuff. I go to the lounge to pick up any cups and mugs and things like that and load them up as well. And then I move on and clean all the counters. They're never too bad because I also have a evening or nighttime routine. I'll link that above and below for you guys, so it's always just freshen up. I like washing Alex's cups by hand. I don't think that plastic is very good in a dishwasher. I think it leaves an aftertaste, so I always do that by hand. And then I move on to the lounge and diner, and I literally just plump up the cushions get any crumbs off the table, put away any junk that has its own place, and it's done. There's nothing to do in the dining room really because we haven't touched it since the night before. And then I give it a vacuum. My vacuum is dead. Guys, I'm on the market for a new one, so please let me know. I'm looking for a cordless one. And then I go to the downstairs toilet, and again I do the same as upstairs, clean the toilet and clean the sink. And today, because I washed the towels, I put on a fresh towel, and I just find that then it's ready. If you get any guests, you've always got to clean downstairs, which is super important. And that's it, guys. That's all of my routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.